The next award is for the Young Pasifika Male of Influence Award, sponsored by Victoria, University of Wellington. I'm going to invite Dr. Tina Makireti to come forward. She's making her way forward. This award recognises a young New Zealand Pacific male who has demonstrated strong leadership attributes, bringing to light prominent issues affecting New Zealand's Pacific youth or New Zealand Pacific community. This award will also consider a nominee who has broken barriers using their talents in whatever field they are passionate about. Drum roll, please. Me taki maata. Ladies and gentlemen, please make this person feel welcome. Congratulations to Leki Jackson Burke. Now this handsome young man here, Leki Jackson Burke, is a multicultural, multidisciplinary, South Aucklander artist of Tonga, Niuean and Samoan descent. His Pacific heritage links back to the villages of Neiafu Vava'u Tonga, Hakupu Atua Niue, and Vailima and Talimatau Samoa. Leki's passion for culture, art and activism began in high school when he challenged senior management to reinstate Polyfest and to allow their 7th-form cohort to attend the annual Bring It On Hip Hop. Really? Did you do that? Wow. You're my hero. Now, attend the annual Bring It On Hip Hop dance competition. After a hearty petition and also a peaceful protest, Leki and his peers were victorious. And speaking of victorious, here he is. A round of applause.
Ko aho ia hanei ne tause he toa ke whiawhia tō tolu me whakaeke ki ia. Whakaoe ki mua he toa ko mai ke tau tolu ke liuwhelewe ia ke he mga aho nei. Whakalawhalahi atu ke tau lilifu e aho. Lilifu e tau whekawhekao hea toa pi hea whoki mo e tau lilifu osi. Tau mama toa mo e tau whanau whakalawhalahi atu ke mo tolu osi ke ngoha e ki hato tolu ko Yesu Kiriso. O le aso le nei, na whaia le alii, tātou te oli ma whiawhia i ai, o te whātalo whātu le pa ia ma le malu a whia potopoto i le ngei i tula o le awhiawhi. Malo lavale soifua, ma le langi ama mā. Malo au pito, pia kole peke o hufanga atu i ho tau whakamo ui ko sisu kalaisi, malo au pito homo lava mai he aho ni. Malo lele everyone. My name is Leki Burke. I hail from the proud town of 275 Mangere, one of the lowest socio-economic areas in New Zealand. But also known as the home of world champs, as our minister calls it. So, tonight I'd like to give 2 shout-outs to 2 of the most beautiful leaders who have emerged from my town, Mangere, and that's of course the Honourable Alpito William Sua Sio, and of course the beautiful Agnes Loheni as well from Mangere. Salafalava. They said 1 minute for the speech, so that's 1 minute in Samoan, Tongan and Niuean. I also like to acknowledge my friends and family who are here tonight, especially the Reverend Falkland Liuvaye, and of course the Honourable Fisa Pihingia, High Commissioner of Niue. To all our distinguished guests, and of course to PCF for this beautiful night, thank you so much for putting this on for us. Well, we appreciate you very much. I'd like to thank 2 of my cousins who are not here today. That's Sam and Adrian, who were my secret elves behind the scenes, who kind of peer pressured me to apply for this award. So thank you to Sam and Adrian. Much love to you guys. I'd like to give a shout out to my cohort from Ako Mata Tupu Teach First NZ. So I'm currently studying to be a secondary school teacher next year, where I'm going to work at my old high school that I almost got kicked out of. I'm going back there to give back to all the young Lekis in the classroom who are making trouble over there. Lastly, I just want to say congratulations to all of our recipients tonight. I'm so proud of each and every one of you, and I think Philly said it best in her speech. I cannot be a sole voice for my community. I'm just one person, but on behalf of everyone that I represent and all my ancestors, I say thank you to everyone here tonight. That's the end of my speech. Thank you, John. I can see you waiting to jump back up. So can we give a round of applause for our awesome MC as well? Malo pito, John.